This is how you install a hot tub cover roller. Put in about the area that you want it, and just put a screw into the side so you know approximately where you want it on the side of the tub. Start taking off the one side. There's different ways of doing it. So this frame is in the way where I actually want to put it on the back of it. So I'm going to see if I can put a piece of wood beside it so I can screw on both sides. This is what it looks like with the brace. Put the cover back on, put it on your mark, and then put the roller level with the hot tub cover. So then put the screws in like that, 76 of them, so it goes in the wood behind there. So it makes it a lot rigid. Now, you might have a different side, so maybe a little different setup for you. As long as it's, you know, pretty solid, it's not going to rip the side right off. I've seen that happen. I think my dog wants to go home now. And that's it. If you have any questions, just put a comment down below.